Hello and welcome back once again to my channel. Today we'll be making this trendy ruched ruffle sleeves, which is easy to make and is beginners friendly. So if you're interested to know how to make these beautiful sleeves you see on the screen, then let's get right into the video. So to make this sleeve, I'm using this mesh and it's stretchy, and the measurement you'll be needing for this is your long sleeves length, and I'm using the length of my sleeve is 25 inches. The wrist of the sleeve is 9 inches and the biceps height is 4.5 inches, and around the armhole is 22 inches divided by 2 is 11 inches. So these are all the measurements you'll be needing for these sleeves. But because this sleeve is going to be a gathered sleeve, you need to times your sleeve length by 2 or 2.5, depending on how full you want the sleeves to be. So in this case, I'll be timesing my long sleeve measurements by 2, so which is 50 inches. These are 50 inches. I cut down here, as you can see. These are 50 inches. And to know how much fabric you need to fold for this sleeve, I use half of my around measurement, which is 22 inches divided by 2 is 11 inches. So I fold my sleeve, so it's 11 inches on the fold, and the bicep height of the sleeve is 4.5 inches, and the sleeve length is 25 inches times 2, and the wrist is 9 inches divided by 2 is 4.5. So let's mark the measurements. So to start with, I'll be marking the height of the bicep, which is 4.5 inches. This is the starting line of the sleeve. From the edge, I'm using the edge as the starting line. So I'm marking 4.5 inches here, and I mark it with a straight line. So the next thing to do is to connect from the tip of the sleeve to the biceps end here. Next is to mark the wrist of the sleeves. I'll be bringing the down part here. On the down part here, I'll be marking half of my wrist measurement, which is 4.5 here. So the next thing is to connect from the biceps to the hemline here. So I'm using my long ruler to connect it straight to the hemline. So guys, this is it. So I'll be cutting from the hemline to the top of the sleeve. That cuts the armhole. So this is how our sleeve looks like. This is the upside of the sleeve. And then this is the down part, as you can see. So the next thing to do is I'm taking this sleeve to my machine to stitch on the edge to the hemline on the side, just to hold the sleeve down, so that when I'm pleating the sleeve, it will not give me a hard time. So let me go and do just that and be back. So I went ahead and held the side of the sleeves all the way to the hemline, as you can see, so that when I'm pleating, it will not give me soft time. So the next thing to do is to start pleating the sleeves, and I'm going to bring my tabletop machine. I only have tabletop machine, so I'll bring it and pleat it for you guys to see. So guys, to start pleating, I'll start with the side seam. So I will be leaving 1 inch before the pleat starts, and I'm going to be pleating it with half an inch. So if my explanation is not okay for you, or you don't understand my explanation, please just watch the video, just concentrate on the video, you understand what I'm doing. So now I'm pleating the sleeves. So guys, see the pleats? How beautiful pleats. So I'll be pleating it so the hemline. So guys, this is it. I finished pleating the one side. As you can see how the pleats look beautiful. So the next thing is you just have to pleat this side so that it will give you the ruffle effect that you want. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to start pleating on this side also. So I'll get my machine and start pleating on this side. I'm pleating the other side now. So you see, to start with, you make sure that it corresponds with the first pleat, like so. You see how our ruffles is taking shape? So I finished pleating the sleeves. As you can see how beautiful the sleeve look. This ruche sleeve, this is what I'm making. You see how beautiful it look. You see the sleeve. So the next thing to do is to trim up this excess. I have to trim it, but I make sure that it doesn't go through the stitches here. I'll trim it like so. We trim it close to the stitch. So guys, our sleeve is ready. I'll turn it to the good side for us to see how it looks. So guys, this is the finishing look. You see how our ruffles is looking very nice. You see how beautiful the sleeve is. You can try this on your own. You can use about half a yard of fabric to get this sleeve. See how beautiful it look. On this line on the side, you can use your applique, your trimmings, your stones to design it. You can put it like this. See? You can use any design of your choice. You can even use this. You can use your stones to embellish this side, or you can embellish the whole sleeve. You can use pearls also. As you can see on the screen, they use pearls to design this line here. You can use pearls, you can use stones, you can use anything of your choice to design it. So this is how beautiful it looks. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a comment down, and also share it with your family and friends, and also give this video a huge thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please do so by hitting on the subscribe button and the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. We come to the end of today's video. Hope you like it. Thank you. I love you all. Bye. See you in my next video.